Join our Discord server and become a part of the BRAINSOR community. Epic Games recently released a trailer of Unreal Engine 5, and the trailer itself was very spectacular. Today we'll come to know what's going to be new in UE5 and what was so spectacular about it, and also that does it possess a threat to Unity, its biggest competitor. Unreal Engine is a game engine made by Epic Games, and Unreal Engine 4 was the first game engine made available to public. But now Epic Games is going to release UE5 by 2022. If you haven't watched the trailer, the links are given in the description. And today we'll discuss some key points that were told in the trailer of UE5 and what is going to be new in it. One of the technologies that was really amazing was Nanite. Nanite means use of unoptimized 3D models inside of the game directly. Before this, for using a 3D model in a game, the model had to be highly optimized so that it could be used inside of the game engine, and the less the vertices, the better the model was considered. 3D model is basically made up of vertices, polygons and tris, its basic structure. But Epic Games is saying that even if you have high vertices on your 3D model, still you can use them inside of the game and still get performance. And they even proved this true by showing the number of vertices on the screen. Although the trailer was running on PS5, but I think it's a commendable effort. One of the biggest things are that a 10-year research has been done in order to create this by Epic Games. Moreover, Epic Games presented us with two major technologies. One was Nanite, which we've already discussed, and the other one is Lumen, which we still have to discuss about. So what is Lumen exactly? Lumen is a fully dynamic global illumination technique which responds to lighting changes in real time. One of the greatest things about it is that it renders diffuse interreflection and indirect specular reflection up to infinite bounds. This basically means realism unlimited. In case if you don't know, what is global illumination? Global illumination is basically an algorithm for realistic lighting. Now, in real life, when light shines, it puts an effect over a large area. This is the reason why when you light a torch in a room, you can see the whole room. Now, basically, simulating this in graphics is known as global illumination. Some more changes to come in UE5 is basically better IK system and more to see. A new announcement is made by Epic Games, and that is Unreal Engine royalties waived on the first $1 million revenue made by the company. And that is just great announcement to see. Now we come to the second part of this video. Is Unity's future still safe even after the advancements made by Epic Games? According to me, yes. And because UE5 will release by 2022 and Unity still has time to do something. Secondly, Unity does not target the AAA games market, and its primary aim is to make indie development easier. Moreover, Unity is an old game engine and many of the users won't change. Lastly, we don't know the pros and cons of the technology in UE5, and hence we cannot make assumptions. But what I think is that this technology is great, and I myself think that this technology is revolutionary for game engines. I myself am pretty optimistic towards this technology. Looks like that I will change to UE5 by 2022, and the main reasons for that are because I'm currently playing with UE4 and UE4 gives free access to Quicksell. But irrespective of whichever engine you use, this announcement will really make you happy. And that is, Epic Games has now announced the Epic Online Services. Epic Online Services basically provide you with lobby, matchmaking and leaderboard servers. So while you pay up for the main thing, they will provide you with secondary service. So this is again an incredible scheme by Epic Games. So that's it for this video everyone, and hope you liked it, and if you liked the video, hit the like button and the bell icon out there to receive more from BRAINSOR.